Here we got 1966 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible, blue with a white top. Beautiful car, because I like blue and I like white top. White top's hard to clean, but I guess with the stuff you got today, you can freaking clean it pretty easy. Back then, man. Well, I used to do to clean like white was Wesley's bleach white tire cleaner. Pretty safe on vinyl and stuff. You know, it's designed for the white walls, but it would clean the convertible tops and the seat interiors and stuff. It's got kind of an off-white interior, so you don't want a white interior. You notice you got the button over here on the side, the latch, it's chrome. We got chrome trim. To me, the Pontiac was a better, more luxurious, sporty car than the Cadillac. I would rather have a Pontiac back in the early 60s and mid-60s than I would a Cadillac. Even Buick in 1960 had some really radical, freaking beautiful cars, man. But they're rare as all hell because they're more money. But the Pontiac was less money than the Cadillac, and I think the Pontiac made some great engines too. You know? One size fits all block, right? 326, 450. That's weird. I never knew that too. I actually think there was a big block Pontiac and a small block Pontiac. I didn't know that. I was looking on YouTube and it says they're all the same block. Really? I know so many people back then, they used to put Chevy motors in their Pontiac still, but Pontiac motor was a very good motor, man. But I think they actually outdid, I think Buick and Pontiac outdid Cadillac in a lot of ways, you know. Some Buicks, like the Riviera and stuff. But you know, that was DeLorean with the GTO and the LeMans and stuff. Pontiac was kicking ass, man, back then. And of course, what did he do? He got busted. DeLorean got busted for cocaine, trying to keep his company going or something. And you know, if he was a connected guy, they would have let him do it, but he wasn't connected, I guess. It's like all these people that, you know, they call them like they're the trailblazers, busting the brush, and the followers, they grab the spoils, you know what I mean? DeLorean was the guy that really made Pontiac. Nice car, man. But convertible's great.